Om Sri Sai Ram. Dear students, heartily welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online video classes. So we continue the circle. In this session, we see how can you find the center and radius of a circle when circle equation in second degree x and y. So general equation of the circle in second degree, two variables. Already we see that what is the general equation of second degree in two variables. So related some problems we have to see in this session. So the first question is, find the center and radius of the circle. The circle equation is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. So what is the center and radius of this circle? This is the question. Find the center and radius of the circle. Here circle equation is given in standard form. Two variable second degree equation like this. You see the last class. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. We see this equation now. Like this equation like this only. Okay, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. I called equation number 1 for this. So observe here. Compare one with standard equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Compare equation 1 with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So we see that this equation always represents a circle. What is center? Center is nothing but minus g minus f, and radius is nothing but root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, we see this one in last session. Center and radius of the circle, this circle. Okay, so observe here. You have to compare this to x square. Compare this to find the value of g, f, and c. Clearly, we say that x square here. What is coefficient of x4? What is coefficient of x here? 2g. So 2g equal to, we can write 4. Correct? Comparing these two equations. Clearly g equal to 2. 2 ones are 2. So comparing these two. What is coefficient of y? Minus 2. Coefficient of y? 2f. 2f is equal to minus 2. So f is equal to minus 1. Correct? What is c equal to? C equal to minus 6. C equal to minus 6. You have to compare these two. We can get G, F and C. So we know that G, F and C, we can easily write center and radius. So clearly, therefore, center is equal to formula minus G minus F. I can write here. What is G here? G is 2. This is minus 2. What is f? Minus 1. This minus f is minus 1. This minus becomes plus 1. Minus 2 comma 1 is a center of this given circle. What about radius? Center is over. What is the radius? We know that radius formula. Radius is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c is equal to. So calculation, substitute the value of g, f, c. Substitute the value of g, f and c and simplify. So radius, shortly write r equal to square root of g square. G is nothing but 2 square plus f square. F is nothing but minus 1. Yes, minus 1 whole square minus c. C is nothing but minus 6 minus plus 6. Simplification, r equal to square root of 2 square is 4 plus minus 1 whole square is plus 1 plus 6. R equal to root of 6 plus 4 is 10. This is 11. 6 plus 4 is 10. 11. Root of 11. Root of 11 is the radius of the circle and center is minus 2 comma 1. You can verify this taking reverse. Reverse means if center is given, if radius is given, then write the equation of circle. You will get same answer. We know the center minus 2. We know the equation of circle center radius form. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is equation of a circle center radius form. What is h here? Center. Center we say h comma k, no? In this equation of circle is like this, means h comma k is nothing but center. What is h equal to here? Minus 2. This is x as it is, minus minus. This is plus 2 whole square plus y. Y is nothing but k. So y as it is, k is nothing but 1 minus 1 whole square. We know r here. R is nothing but L1. This is whole square. Simplify, will get same answer because this is the reverse problem. X square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y equal to L1. The equation becomes x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y. This is plus 5 minus L1 equal to 0. Simplification. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Correct? X square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Means our answer is correct. The center is minus 2 comma 1 and radius is root of L1. This is the reverse problem. If the center and radius is given, we know that how can you find the equation of circle. If the circle equation is given, then you find the center and radius of the circle. Okay. Let us start next problem. So find the same question. Find the center and radius of the circle. X square plus y square plus 3x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. Called equation number 1. You know that this equation clearly represents a circle because there is no xy terms. Xy term is nothing but x into y, not separately x comma y. There is no xy term in this equation, and the coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of y square is also 1. Clearly this equation represents a circle. Okay, then you have to find center and radius. So for the center, you know the center formula, minus g minus f, and radius is nothing but root of g square plus f square minus c. First find g, f and c. Compare one with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Clearly we say that 2g is nothing but coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x is 3. 2g is nothing but 3. G equal to 3 by 2. This is the value of g. Similarly, 2f is equal to, see here is 1, no, this is minus 1. 2f equal to minus 1. F equal to minus 1 by 2. F equal to minus 1 by 2. What about c equal to? C equal to minus 5. Correct? You have to compare here both the equations. C equal to minus 5. What is center formula? We know that center is nothing but minus g minus f equal to g is nothing but 3 by 2 minus g is nothing but minus 3 by 2. What is f? F is nothing but minus 1 by 2. This minus plus 1 by 2. This is the center of the given circle. What about radius? We know radius formula. Root of g square plus f square minus c. So r equal to square root of, what is g? G is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 2 whole square plus f minus 1 by 2. Here is f is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 5. R equal to square root of 9 by 4 plus 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. This also 1 by 4. Minus square is plus, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 plus 5. So R equal to square root of, take LCM 4 here. Here is 9 plus 1. Here is 1 means 1 4 is a 4. 5 4 is a here 20. Correct? 5 4 is a 20. What happened here? R is equal to root of 21 plus this is 30 dividing by 4. Correct? 10 plus 20 is 30. Simplification. So this one is 2 2s are 2 15s are. Correct? 2 2s are 4, 2 15s are 30. So this is nothing but root of 15 by 2, not 3. This is 2. Correct? So therefore R equal to, so I write here R is equal to root of 15 by 2. This is the radius of the given circle, and center is minus 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. The radius is root of 15 by 2. Center and radius of the given circle. Okay, so I think you understand the concept. How can you find the center and radius? Let us start next problem. So observe here, find the center and radius of the circle. Here circle equation is given here, 4x square plus 4y square plus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. I call equation number 1. Observe here, this is clearly represent a circle because there is no xy term in the circle. And the coefficient of x square is 4 and coefficient of y square is also. Observe here one more things. The equation like this, 3x square plus 4y square something 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is not a circle equation. This is not represent a circle equation because there is the coefficient of x square is 3 and coefficient of y square is 4. So clearly 3 is not equal to 4. Both coefficients are different. Therefore, this is not represent a circle. Similarly, 2x square plus 2y square plus 2xy plus x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is also not a represent a circle because in this equation we have xy terms. In the circle equation there is no xy terms. We see the condition. So clearly this equation is represent circle because there is no xy term and coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square equal to how much? 4. So let us find the center and radius of the circle. So observe here. First you have to convert this equation in standard form. Standard form is nothing but make coefficient of x square is equal to y square is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square is equal to y square equal to 1. You have to convert first. Means dividing both equation by, divide both side by 4 on this equation. 4x square dividing by 4 plus 4y square by 4 plus 2x by 4 plus 3y by 4 minus 6 by 4 is equal to 0. 4 get cancel, 4 get cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. Means x square plus y square plus 1 by 2x or x by 2 both are same plus 3 by 4y minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. I call equation number 1. So clearly this equation represents a circle. Both equations are represent circle, but you have to make coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square equal to 1 when we find the center and radius of the circle. So compare this equation with compare 2 with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. What happened here? This is 2g. Clearly 2g is nothing but coefficient of x is nothing but how much here? 1 by 2. So g is nothing but 1 by 4. 2f is nothing but 3 by 4. F is nothing but this is 3 by 8. The 2 is multiplied with 4. G equal to 1 by 4. F equal to 3 by 8. What about C? C is nothing but minus 3 by 2. We know G, we know F, we know C. Then easily we can write center and radius. What is center formula? We know that center is nothing but, center formula minus G minus F. Shortly write C equal to minus G. This is minus 1 by 4. F is nothing but minus 3 by 8. Center is minus 1 by 4 and minus 3 by 8. Root of G square plus F square minus C square root are equal to root of G. 1 by 4 whole square is nothing but 1 by 16 plus 9 by 64 because 8 square 64 minus plus 3 by 2 because C is minus 3 by 2, this plus 3 by 2. Simplification we get the radius of the given circle. Okay, what is the simplification here? r equal to, what is LCM? 64 plus 9 plus 1 4 is 4, 9 1 is 9, 32 into 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, this is 96. Adding the all three, the answer is r equal to root of 109 dividing by 64 is equal to square root of 109 dividing by root of 109 by 8. This is the radius of the circle, and center is minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 8. Correct? Make coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square equal to 1 when we find the center and radius. Don't solve directly, don't take directly 2g 2f. First divide, then take 2g and 2f and write c value. So okay, see last problem in the session, in the class. Find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y equal to 0. I call equation number 1. So this is very simple problem because here directly given coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square equal to 1 is given here. Can write directly. Clearly we write 2z equal to 4, g equal to 2. Can write 2f equal to minus 6. We know. Compare this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. We have to compare. Clearly 2z equal to 4 and 2f equal to minus 6. So f equal to, what is f equal to? Minus 3. 2 1s, 2 3s. So write clearly c equal to how much? C is not given here. It takes c equal to 0. There is no constant term in this equation. See, observe here. There is no constant term in this equation. You can take c equal to 0. Sometimes, see, observe here. X square plus y square minus y plus 5 equal to 0. What is 2z equal to here? 2z equal to 0. G equal to 0. Because there is no x term here. There is no x term in the equation. Then you take write directly g equal to 0. Because x is multiplied with g here in standard equation. There is no x term, g equal to 0. There is no y term in this equation. That time write directly f equal to 0. Okay. So center formula. Center is nothing but minus g minus f. C equal to center. G is nothing but minus 2. This is nothing but minus plus 3. The center is minus 2 comma 3. Center of this equation. What is radius? Radius is nothing but square root of g square plus f square minus c. Substitute the value. So r equal to root of, what is g? G is nothing but 2. 2 square is nothing but 4. F is nothing but minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is nothing but plus 9. C is clearly 0 here. So r equal to root of 9 plus 4 is 13. This is the radius of the circle. Center is minus 2 comma 3. Radius is root 13. Center and radius of given circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y equal to 0. This is a very simple problem. If there is no constant term, then take c equal to 0. So we see in this session 4 problems. How can you find the center and radius of the circle when the circle equation is given? General second degree 2 variables. Okay. So thank you for watching. Keep watching. Jai Sai Ram.